Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. I want to wish all of you a very prosperous and happy Ashtami. So overall, happy Navratri you guys. So guys, the past couple of days were like really busy for me. I'm sorry being absent from YouTube for an entire week, but my Instagram family knows that why I was not active on YouTube that much because I'm very happy I got the privilege to be a part of a very nice collaboration with the makeup artist as well as with a designer. So when I posted the pictures on Instagram, then you guys were like going crazy about it. I got so many compliments for the same, and a lot of you were asking me a lot of questions about the outfit, the makeup, the people who are behind that, and how I got there, like how I got the chance to be a part of that collaboration. Also, I have answered to a lot of questions in my DM personally, but since it was not possible to answer like hell lot of messages, so I thought why not make like a full video sort of a thing to give you the information for the same, so that I want to be helpful to you people, because I think that's my job, that's why I'm here. So I thought why not make a video for the same. So yeah, if you want to know the entire thing of my collaboration, my makeup, my outfit, then please continue watching. So guys, my collaboration was dated on 1st April 2019 and I got the offer for the same like few days ago. So it was a collaboration with a very nice, well-renowned designer as well as a makeup artist from New Delhi only. The makeup artist for that, she was the one who approached me to be a model for the entire collaboration, and her name is Navneet Sathi, and I'm going to give her Instagram handle in the description bar below. Don't worry, it's going to be there. And she definitely works so well. Her makeup is beautiful. She does each and every type of makeup, be it bridal, be it pre-bridal, be it birthday, and all different types of makeup, like neutral makeup, dramatic makeup, glowy makeup, matte makeup, everything. So the makeup which she did for me was a teal, green, bluish sort of a makeup with smoky look. So that was like a semi Muslim sort of a makeup look that she went ahead with me, because the entire Muslim look is with the pasa and everything, but she did it with a mixture. So it was like both a mixture of an Indian wedding look as well as a Muslim wedding look, because honestly you guys, Muslim wedding looks are in, they are so pretty. I really like the pasa and everything. So guys, the makeup artist is from New Delhi, and the location where she does her makeup is Punjabi Bagh, West Punjabi Bagh. I'm going to give you their Instagram handle as well as contact details in the description bar below, so do check it out. If you want to go for the bookings, I would be really happy if you go to her, because the end result would blow your mind. So guys, we are going to see the entire makeup look for the same. I have some photographs clicked. Some are uploaded on my Instagram, but some are not, because they were like vast number of pictures that were being photographed there. So you are going to see in the next few clips the pictures for the same. You can get a hold of the makeup she did for me with great precision, because the photography emphasizes each and everything which she did on my skin. So please continue watching. A lovely makeup done by her. Now let's come to the designer part, the lehenga, which got so many compliments from you guys. I was blown away by the amount of appreciation I got. My DM was flooded by your messages, you guys. You're like, oh my god, Ruhi, this is not you, we are not able to recognize you. But of course guys, that is like a very heavy duty makeup, and I don't wear that heavy clothes.
That lehenga was bomb. Okay you guys, it was bomb.
It was too heavy, but it's okay. It was worth putting on that weight. It was I can be sure it was like around 10 kgs. I was really tired by the end of the day, but the lehenga was so beautiful. It was so sophisticated. First of all, it is beyond that conventional reds and the maroons and the pinks. So it was like a sky blue sort of a lehenga. It was not at all conventional. It was very different and it was very girly. The darkpan is not there in that lehenga. It's very intricately designed. I think they have some peachy tones in it. There was not at all, you know, that heavy golden duty work. Golden work was there, but it was not overpowering or overwhelming. It had some peachy tones, some blues and some yellows. Everything was totally apt in that lehenga. So guys, the lovely designer behind this is from Kishlaya, and it's located in Shahpur Chatt, New Delhi. I guess it's a part of the South Delhi arena. So guys, the designer is also amazing. They make some lovely bridal and pre-bridal lehengas. I think they have some lighter ones as well. Don't worry, their Instagram handle is also going to be there in the description bar below. You can go and check out all the different sort of dresses they have, and I think their work was brilliant. The lehenga was brilliant, it was sophisticated, it was elegant, it was girly, it was everything which I want as a bride. Okay, whenever I am going to be there, one day I will. So I want to see all that designs as a part of my bridal collection, and it was beautiful. I'm going to add some detailed zoomed in pictures of the lehenga so that you can get a hold of what the design was, what the color was and everything. So yeah, please continue watching. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the entire collaboration. It was a paid collaboration, but this video isn't sponsored at all. This is my own views and my own experience that I'm going to share with you, because honestly you guys, you had many questions, and of course some of you wanted to know how to get there as a part of that collaboration. Trust you me guys, it's better that the people who want to work with you as a model approach you. Okay, you have to be really active on your social media website. You have to make contacts. I know making contacts, it's not easy, but you have to be quite active. You have to get that confidence to talk to a lot of people. Obviously, as a part of that collaboration, I was the one who was approached, because I tried to talk to a lot of people. I tried to keep my social media websites really active, and in that way only you can tend to attract many brands and many companies with you, to work with you. So just by talking to people and trying to maintain your social media websites up to date and trying to you should have that zeal to work really hard, because this entire thing can look really glamorous, but it isn't. I mean, of course it's glamorous, the end result is like really nice, but a lot of things go behind this, all the glamorous world. There's a lot of hard work. You have to sit for like multiple hours to get many layers done on your face, and all that heavy dresses, and you have to keep on standing no matter what's happening. If you're having food or you're starving or whatever, maybe you're drinking water or not, but you have to be patient. You have to be up to date. You have to build that confidence to talk to a lot of people so as to get so many opportunities, because opportunities does not come served in a platter. You have to go to them and grab it, so you get the results. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching this entire thing, then please give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, so that you get notified every single time I post a video. So till my next video, stay tuned, stay positive, take care, bye, and thank you.